Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Friday. Our Santa rally has taken a bit of a pause today, taken a bit of a drop, but are we bothered? No. Are we concerned? No. We also have a look today at the best dividend stocks of 2025 and a stock you might want to take notice of that is surging this morning. Big morning today, a lot going on, plus, of course, the Friday phone-in, and then we're going to celebrate Christmas and ring in the new year tonight on the music channel for our party concert, as we do every Friday. Fantastic. Let's get straight into it. If you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel and tap the subscribe button. And if you like this content and you'd like to see be shown this again from YouTube, click the like. If you don't like this content, click the down like button and YouTube won't show you my content again. That's how it works. Fantastic. All right. We got some breaking news right at the top of the hour. We started the show later today. It was advertised to be later, so I wasn't late. I told you I'd be late. Told you I would reschedule in the timer. And the reason for that is because I've been on the phone talking to more CEOs that want to come on the show and bring their companies to you. So today's show was slightly adjusted because of that. Anyway, let's see who's here this morning, and then we'll get straight into our news. When does this go live? Stacey Bailey, the countdown was on the screen. It always counts down, tells you the time. Panzaloco just became a member. Welcome to you. If you are here, I will upgrade you at the end of the show. Lucas A's, James 007 is here. Mike is here saying hello to everyone. Wonderful stuff. Let's have a look. Tim Rogers, good morning, Stacey and everyone. Who believes the market will pull back before the end of December? No, I am confident that the Santa rally will continue. All we're doing today is trimming off. Some people are taking profits. Nothing wrong with doing that. Hi, Mike. I hope you had a great Christmas. TJ Snyder, lovely to have you here. Zach Zates here. Ed Nevius, doing a great job, as always, over there on Discord, running the server, doing a great job. And everyone's really enjoying spending time with Ed Nevius, our scalp trader. You can access that if you are a member of our channel. I can upgrade you onto that service. If you want to be a member of the channel, I can upgrade you. There is the membership link, and there is Discord. Lovely stuff. Hey, Martin, how are you? KULR, bullish. I like the graph. Thank you, KULR. Remember, as a member, you can ask me to review a stock, do a minimum $5 super chat, and it will go on the list. The higher the super chat, the higher up the list you go. All right, that's how it works. Remember, I can then do a full review on the stock. And as we rank number one for most stocks now, then it often brings the news to a wider audience. Good morning, everyone. Family, hello, world. Brian Bynum, lovely to have you here. Thank you for being part of our Christmas special. Eugene McCombs, good morning to you. Rob, good morning, Rob. How are you today? Lovely to have you here. Is this Rob Newland? Is this Rob? Is it Rob Newland? Anyway. Just remind me. Safa, hello. Morning, Martin. Looking forward to the interview with the CEO. Yes, very exciting stuff. That's on the 31st of December, New Year's Eve. Today is the last day to take tax losses for the year. That's why the market is down today, which is presenting me an opportunity to buy a little bit more of the S&P if this continues. Remember, though, the S&P is likely to go up today because it's VU's payout day. VU is the preferred S&P connector, if you like, and it paid out its dividend. Most investors in the S&P just reinvest. Institutions that buy, or people that invest through their work, they auto reinvest, which will happen on the open of the morning in another 25 minutes. So the S&P could go up because everyone's buying it this morning. So before the market opens, it is dipping a little bit. That makes sense for what the reason that fight channel gave, but also the fact that it's likely to go up on the bell. So what are people doing? Selling it to drive it down, to buy it back cheaper. It's not really cheap enough for me to buy at this level, though, but I'm keeping my eye on it. It's not really worth it, but and if I buy another 4 shares of the S&P, it can take me back over the 100, and I'll get a lower interest rate on my margin anyway. So I can comfortably afford to do that. Where are we now? If we look at the S&P over the week, it's not doing anything. It's down a little bit, but it's not really. If it went down to these support levels here, see these levels here, I'd buy a bit more, and you never know. You might do that in the next 20 minutes. It just might do that. A flash crash before the bell goes. It's always possible, but really, it isn't really worth it. I can buy it higher later on. It doesn't matter. Let me just refresh and remind you my position. So if I show you my buying power, if you look there, I got 53.5. You see how the percentage has gone up, even though I've spent more. Can you see that? It's really important that my margins are all-time highs. Well, it was slightly more, $3,000 more. So I'd have to buy about 7 shares, something like that. But if you look at it, it's 53%. So it's gone up above my 50%, so I can buy more. But I'll be watching it because it's another 7 shares would be great. We'll increase my dividend next quarter. I'm very happy to do that, but I am also about to spend $8,000 anyway. So I'm not sort of, jumping up and down to do it, but I can, but we shall see. Anyway, there you go. As you can see there, my margin is perfectly intact, so I'm not really concerned. If we get a bit of a drop up, I'll probably buy some. Anyway, question, can you find out why the government 401k buys in? Can you find out when the government... that's interesting. Is it on federal paydays? Seems like a good info to know, but I'm sure they will play with the money. It doesn't go straight to buy. I'm sure it doesn't, no. Just because we know on payday... Yeah, that's interesting, though. I get what you're saying. Yeah, the government payday to buy the S&P, because a lot of institutions and... people at work, regular 401k employees, they buy every month the S&P. Absolutely, it's interesting, but I think it'd be so varied. I don't think it'd be very helpful though. The hype is moving quantum stocks. Thank you, TJ. We've got good morning, Stephen Wally. Do you utilize covered calls on your positions? No, I never do options. I never short the stocks. Ever. I just buy shares, buy businesses, and own and don't sell. Very simple strategy, and it's worked for me. I started at $5,000. I now have $250,000 invested. If you take my main account, my Roth IRA, add them together, margin and everything else, and I'm worth 136. So, I don't ever do that. I don't see any point. Anyway, we've got a stock to look at this morning, so I'm going to do it right now. Let's see who's in. Thank you for those who have been tuning in to the extra channel today. We've been running 24 hours a day once again. So let me get straight into... we're about to hit, probably today, 55,000 subscribers. So we are now running down the hill to 100,000 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 55,000 today. Tap the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell would be absolutely wonderful. Okay, now then, just before I go into this stock, something you may have missed, some big news you may have missed, so I want to bring everybody up to date. Let's make sure everyone knows what's going on. So on the homepage of the channel, the last few days, we have announced members only special. Here it is. It's members only. This is the interview of the CEO and CFO. I have them all on the show on December the 31st, in a couple of days' time. It's another Meet the CEO in our series, Gorilla. You don't want to miss this one. This stock is on fire at the moment, and we are going to cover it for you on December the 31st. Please do join us for that. It's a members-only event, of course, as all our Meet the CEO series are. So there you go. If you want to take part in that, there it is. This is a really good one. We're lining up more and more CEOs all the time. I'm ultimately going to have Elon Musk on the show, Sir Richard Branson. The list goes on and on and on. I'm in correspondence with all of these teams and so on. But this is the next one. This is on December the 31st, a members-only event. All right. Now then, underneath that, there's some videos just gone out you may have missed. We have the information about the live interview. You might want to check that out. We have an updated analysis. You may remember I did analysis and the CEO saw it and their marketing team saw it. They reached out to me. It's how we got the CEO on the show. And I was presented a press release, updated information, and all of that is contained in here. There was a warning about Roaring Kitty playing his stupid games again. There is a gorilla further information. There's the original analysis. It went viral. It's done over 20,000 views. YouTube shows it a day behind. So yeah, it's over 20,000. It went viral for literally in 1 minute. I had like 14,000 views. Anyway, there was our Christmas special. We had a Christmas special message from TJ. Thanks for all calling in. All 10 spots went and everyone called in. It was absolutely great. If you'd missed that, make sure you go and see it. Grab Analysis, another stock which is starting to take off on our channel. Grab, make sure you check that one there. And also this one is gaining attention now, LB Landbridge. All right, a lot of stuff there you may have missed. I just thought I would bring everybody up to date with that. Right, now then, I've got some news. Have I got time to cover it before the bell? We got our Friday phone in 45 minutes. Top dividend stocks we're talking about today. But right now, though, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Ticker symbol MYSZ. My size, or as the Americans would say, ticker symbol MYSZ. My size, a stock that has surged today, and we are covering the news for it. This could be our next breakout stock. You never know. This is how we end up meeting all our CEOs. We rank number one for nearly all the stocks we cover. I wouldn't be surprised. Within hours, we get picked up on this one now. There's a whole media of marketing teams that support businesses, CEOs, and so on, who are now looking at our channel to feature. I was talking to some CEOs this morning before the show. We've got so much now going on. I wouldn't be surprised in hours this trends on our channel. Let's see if it does. My size, what is it? Let's bring it to you now. It's up today, big. My size engages in the development of measurement technologies. It provides solutions for e-commerce, apparel, shipping. We'll have a little bit more, and parcel delivery and do-it-yourself industry applications. The firm offers measurement apps including My Size ID, Box Size, and Size Up. The company was founded by Ronan Luzon on September the 20th, 1999, and headquartered in Israel. Interesting, this one. Ronan Luxon. If you'd like Ronan Luzon. If you'd like Ronan on the show, simply go to this company's website, do investor relations, email investor relations and say you are an investor, you'd like them on the show, and you never know, they'll find it. My guess is now there are so many marketing teams for these companies, they'll find me, but don't leave it to that. Make sure that you contact them and we can learn more about the company. What's going on today? Why is it up so much? The average volume is 6. The volume today is 16. So this is very interesting. If we've got enough short interest, this could be a short squeeze. Let me have a look for you. Price earnings ratio, negative 0.21. It's obviously not making money, but it is heading upwards. We did have a slightly disappointing earnings on the last call, but if any one of our members wants me to cover this on the next earnings, March the 31st, we can do that for you. All right, let's have a quick look here. This is interesting. Who else is buying the stock in Robinhood? SNDL, Tilray Brands. Very interesting range of stocks here. Nikola. Okay, so what we're seeing here is very high risk, very volatile stocks. Yeah. These are all ringing a bell to me. Oh, Mullen, there we go. A Mullen, a scam stock in there as well. So we've got extreme volatility here, which will mean extreme amounts of volatility. And as you can see there, trading positions. Yes, it's very much a trading stock. Let's look very quickly at the news. What's going on with it? Let me share with you right now. We've got my size surges after 2025 revenue guidance. Okay, let's have a look at this news. This is just out. Flipping heck. This was literally out a few minutes ago. Nobody will have this information. That's why the stock has suddenly broken and we're bringing it to you now. So my size surged after the omni-channel e-commerce platform announced on Friday its 2025 revenue guidance. This is going to rank today on our channel. No question about it. This is going to be number one. We're going to rank for this stock. Tap the like button. Share this out. This is just a few minutes before the bell goes. Consider subscribing to the channel. Reach out right now. Lucas Aids, don't leave it to someone else. Go onto the website of this company, email investor relations, say we want you on the show. You are an investor and you want to hear about the company. This could be a big opportunity today for this stock. My size shares were trading up 86% pre-market at 787. We are now 920 to 915. We are moving very quickly. The company projects a 2025 revenue of 15 million, considering the momentum fueled by advancements in technology and market expansion of its e-commerce platform, Orgad. The 2025 revenue consensus is 10.5 million. Additionally, the company expects 2024 revenue to come at 8.5 million, reflecting a 23% year-over-year growth. And as I'm talking to you now, I'm receiving a text from the marketing agency I was talking to this morning saying we are watching the show. Thank you very much for covering this stock. I'm literally looking at that right now on my phone. So get ready for some action today on this one now. This is what this channel is all about. The company said it believes it will be able to achieve further significant operational cost savings that will enhance a flexibility in cash flow management and provide the foundation for continued strategic investment and growth. Orgad is undergoing a strategic shift from focusing primarily on North America to expanding operations across Europe. All right, let me look at some further information on the stock. Let me look at this here. Make sure yes, this is good. We've got factor grades here now. Looking at our factor grades and ratings, you cannot access this unless you are with me on Seeking Alpha Spread. There are the links in the chat. Everybody watching, I'll post the links below in the description afterwards on the video. This is being made live, so I will post that later. You can get free trials, discounts to my premium service. So how I get this breaking news before anyone. Evaluation A+, that's up from A-. We've got growth C+, which has dropped from A. Profitability D-, no improvement there. This company isn't making any money. Momentum A-, that is up from F. Revisions B+, slightly down from A-. Okay, Wall Street are saying it's a buy. Quant is saying it's a hold. Seeking Alpha analysts aren't even paying attention to it. We've got no forward PE, of course. We've got short interest, 3.85. So today what's going on is not a short squeeze. It's not a short squeeze. However, what it is good news. So that's very interesting as well. Now, this is a 5 million market cap. Very, very small company. This show, not intentionally, because remember, I only own the S&P. I'm not here to pump and dump stock, but I am here to bring great news for my members. This show is big enough to move $100 million stock. We've seen it happen multiple times. This market cap is 5. So get ready for a huge move today on this stock once my video goes out. No question, no surprise. Expect it to happen. It's already happening. Okay, so let me look at more information on the stock. Let me go over to this. It's very quick, just before the bell goes. We've got an intrinsic valuation of 592, but we are saying it's undervalued because it hasn't yet refreshed. This has happened so quickly that that isn't correct at the moment. That will refresh in a few moments. It's happened just so quickly. It's not had time to react. Revenue at 9.6 million, and you can see how we've had an S curve and projections aren't in yet, but September 24th, 9.6 million. We are expecting it to go up, so this number is about to jump. Operating income is up 24%. That's about to jump upwards. Net income minus 4%. That's about to jump upwards. In financing cash flow down 61%. Investing cash flow 53,000. Operating cash flow up 18%. Let's scroll down here, and 7 million in assets. Very small company. Companies like this can really move quickly. 7 million assets, 2.6 million in liabilities. Long-term debt, 177. No issue with debt and so on and so forth. Good ratio from assets to liability. No issue there. So the balance sheet will be okay. If I scroll down the balance sheet, it's okay. See, it's not great, not amazing, but it's not going to go bust. So you can buy it without any issue of that. What about profitability? Well, it could have been a lot worse. We say it's not making any money. 32 actually isn't as bad as we thought it was. Considering where it is. Exceptional 3 years revenue growth, positive gross profit, ROE is increasing, ROIC is increasing. So some good news coming out. Let me go back to the margins. Very important this here. 44% gross margin. So if we could hold the top line, we'd be doing all right. However, we are losing money on the net margin and the operating margin, but that will improve. You can see how much worse it was just a few years ago. Dramatic improvement. FCF margin is negative 39%. ROCE is negative 63%. ROIC negative 84%. ROA negative 50%. And ROE negative 88%. This is breaking news, breaking stories. We will rank for this on our on our channel today, on YouTube. On YouTube Global today. 28% downside from here, says Wall Street. Worst case scenario, 27% downside from here. But remember, this is just before the news is out. So this will dramatically change once the bell goes and the new information filters through. No inside trading, nothing going on there, in or out. No news coverage. No one's talking about it. We're the first ones to be talking about it. Watch out. This stock is going to move violently today because it's going to go out on our channel very shortly. So what I will do is I will end the show in a few moments and actually send everyone to the extra channel and then bring everybody back as I can put this video out, because this needs to go out as quickly as possible. So I'm making this during a live show, but I'm about to put it out immediately as a video. Expect this to move a lot today. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description for everything and that you need. Over here, I will create a my size playlist, or everything to do with my size, earnings, CEO interviews, you name it, is bound to happen, will be up here. And down here, I shall put my full alpha spread playlist of all the stocks I've reviewed. This is not a review. This is just a quick news item. The fact we've got this information so quickly, I wanted to bring it all to you of this stock moving. All right, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, so what we're going to do right now is, we're going to change the extra channel to be live with me talking to you live right now. So let me just change that for a moment. Okay, I'm going to go to one of my scenes. Let's have a look. We'll go to there. In fact, we'll go to the S&P, I think. There we go. We'll go there. We will take off the clock. All right, now it won't change. We will pause that. We will open that up. Okay, we're now on the extra channel, live, talking to you now. I've paused what you were listening to. And we are just in this mode now. What we're going to do is we're going to send everybody there, put out this video, and then come back with our Friday phone-in. This is big news, and I want to be the first to cover it. So, this is the extra channel. This is where we're live right now. We're going to be live right now, the same show. What we're going to do is we're going to send everybody there, there you go. So you can hear me live there right now. We're going to be covering the markets, all the stock tickers and so on and so forth going by. So what we're going to do, I'm going to give everyone this. I want to get this news out immediately. So let me first of all get rid of that. unpin. Okay, so here we go. So live now on Extra. We'll be back here very soon. We'll give you the link on Extra. Okay, there you go. Let me pin that to the top. That's where we're going to go now. The show will continue. I'll be talking to you, ringing the bell, watching the market, everything else for you at the same time as I am being able to put this video out. So let me change the settings now. The market's going down. Before the bell, I'm going to cover all of this live. Nothing, you're not going to miss anything. We're just going to switch to the Extra channel for a few minutes, okay? So I can put this video out. So I'm going to redirect you so you can stay right where you are, and it will take you there automatically, or you can click on the link, all right? And what I'll do is send everyone there to the Extra channel. We'll stay together. We'll ring the bell together. Everything will be good. And then I will put it, because I need to end the stream to be able to grab the file to put it out. But this is a big breaking story for our channel and everyone that invests in this stock. And then I'll give you the link to bring you right back. Okay. So now join me on the Extra channel. I'm going to ring the bell in 3 minutes, and I'm going to keep you all updated. Yeah, just checking that was good. You're not going to miss anything at all. All right. So now switch over to the Extra channel. Let me clear the screens. Send you all over there right now. Join me on the Extra channel. I'll be live with you. We'll ring the bell. We'll watch what's going on. I'll put the new video out, and then I'll bring you all back. It says I'm not a member on the other channel because it's a different channel. That's why. That's why it's only 99 cents. It's a different channel, Safa. It's a completely separate channel. So I'm just telling you now, it's 99 cents. We do it so we keep out the bots, the scammers, and it's a members only channel. It's always members only. All right, join me over there. You can watch, you can listen in for free at Safa. But if you want to talk to our investors, be part of the members and be part of the investment community, it's only 99 cents to be a member there. It's a completely separate channel. All right. Okay, everyone, now switch over. I'll be back. I will ring the bell live with you over there, and then I'll be back with you straight away on the main channel as soon as I got this video out. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye-bye for now.